Here's the truth. If your pricing isn't strategic, you're either leaving money on the table or cleaning for free. Hey, cleaning family, I'm Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. I have helped hundreds of service-based entrepreneurs scale to multi-six figures and beyond. And I've walked into enough dirty break rooms to know how to quote with confidence. Today, I'm showing you how to price commercial cleaning jobs by the hour, step by step. Whether you're quoting your first building or leveling up your proposal game, this video will help you avoid rookie mistakes and land profitable contracts. Now let's jump in. Why pricing commercial jobs is different. Residential and commercial cleaning aren't priced the same, and they shouldn't be. Residential is about how clean it looks and how clean it feels. Personal touches, flexibility with pricing per visit, whereas commercial is about consistency and compliance, detailed scope of work, predictable cost, and performance. Most commercial clients don't care how sparkly it looks. They care that you show up on time, the trash is taken out, the floors are vacuumed and mopped, and that their staff never have to think about it ever again. Because of that, pricing must reflect labor, overhead, materials, frequency, risk, and value. Start with the walkthrough. This is your audit. Before you quote anything, you need to walk the space. This isn't a quick glance, it's a detailed facility audit. Think of yourself as a consultant, not there just as a cleaner. What to bring? You can bring a clipboard, a laser measuring tool, and your commercial cleaning intake form to ask questions. Business cards and a capability statement, a copy of your insurance if you'd like to show it, clean branded attire because first impressions matter. What to collect? Total cleanable square footage. What types of rooms are there? Office rooms, conferences, restrooms. The floor types, VCT, tile, carpet, hardwood. How many trash cans are there in each room? How many fixtures are there? Toilets, urinals, sinks. Windows and glass surfaces. Are we going to be cleaning inside or outside? High touch surfaces. How often they want the service? 1 time a week, 5 times a week, 7 times a week. Your production rate, the core of your quote. Your production rate is the number of cleanable square feet that your team or you can clean in 1 hour. Here's a general industry guide to get you started. Office cleaning, light duty, about 3,000 to 4,000 square feet. Medical facilities, about 2,000 to 2,500 square feet. Warehouses, 4,000 to 6,000, and daycares, 2,000 to 2,500. Now, these are just averages. If you're just starting out, your production rate may likely be slower. Track how long it takes your team to clean 1 restroom, mop 500 square feet of tile, vacuum 1,000 square feet of carpet, sanitize 10 desks. Time and document your jobs. Over time, you'll build your own production chart customized to your team's abilities. Know your hourly charge rate. Let's talk numbers. Your hourly rate is the price that you charge per hour per cleaner, and it must cover everything. Calculate your labor rate minus wages, plus taxes, plus insurance, plus benefits. Supplies are going to be your cleaning chemicals, paper towels, toilet paper, if that is included, and of course your travel, gas, tolls, parking. Overhead could include admin time, scheduling, customer service, and of course you have your profit margin from 30 to 50% markup, which is pretty standard. Let's do some example calculations. Let's say you pay your cleaner $15 an hour. Your taxes and your insurance are $3 an hour additional. Travel and supply costs are $2 an hour. Overhead and admin are $2 an hour. That's going to make your base cost $22 an hour. Now let's apply a 35% profit margin for an example. So you're going to do $22 divided by 1 minus 0.35, which is $33.85 an hour. So your hourly charge rate is going to be $34 an hour. You can round it up to 35 for easy quoting. Next, you want to plug in the math for monthly pricing formula. Let's break it down using these numbers. You want to do your hourly rate multiplied by the hours per visit multiplied by the days of the week times 52 divided by 12 to get your monthly base rate. An example would be $35 is your base rate. Hours per visit, 3. Days per week, 5. So you would do 35 times 3 times 5 times 52 divided by 12, and you would have $2,275 a month. For supplies, we're going to go with 3% of the base rate, which is about $68.25. And our final monthly quote is going to be $2,343.25. Now you want to present your proposal like a pro. Don't just send a quote, send a branded proposal packet. Be sure to include your cover letter thanking them for the walkthrough and the opportunity, a capability statement, your service agreement with all of your terms, the cleaning schedule, your certificate of insurance, and any optional add-ons or upsells, a clear pricing table with the monthly flat rate and the optional supply fees, etc. Never break your pricing into hourly math in front of the client. They're buying results, not labor time. You can say, we're happy to provide full service janitorial cleaning 5 days a week, including labor, equipment, and products for $2,343.25 a month. Don't skip these legal and business details. Make sure you're covered legally. Commercial general liability insurance, workman's compensation if needed, bonded if it's a requirement, an EIN and a properly registered business, any state level cleaning business requirements that need to be met. Avoid the scope creep. Clearly list what is included, clearly list what is not included, and make sure to put when you will be cleaning items, once a month, once a week, once a year. Pro tip, include a clause that says any additional services outside this scope must be requested in writing and approved with a separate quotation. If you've ever wondered, am I charging too much? Am I losing money? This video just gave you the blueprint to quote confidently and professionally. Want help reviewing your walkthrough notes or putting together a proposal? Book a one-on-one mentorship call with me or check out my downloadable proposal and walkthrough kit linked in the description of this video for a small fee. Made available for purchase. Like this video, drop a comment if you've learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos to grow your cleaning business like a real CEO. I'm Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. Keep learning, keep quoting smart, and keep building those businesses that you were meant to run.